guys, it's me, Hannah. I know it's been a long time since I've sat down and filmed. I'm so sorry. I've been having so much just stuff going on in my life recently. I've been working a lot, but I promise I will get back onto a more stricter schedule of uploading every single week. I know I've been lacking. I'm sorry. But without further ado, let's get into the video. So I'm going to be taking the new Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette. This palette is gorgeous. I love the packaging of this. I love like the tan velvet. And here's what it looks like. If everyone's probably seen what this palette looks like. It's absolutely stunning. I actually like this color story more than I like the Modern Renaissance one. It's just this speaks to me more than that one does. So we're just gonna do like a nice simple but yet gold bronzy look today. Starting off, I'm gonna go in with a ColourPop tapered blending brush, and I'm going to go into the shade Orange Soda right here and sculpt the crease with that, a little transition if you will. All right. Next we are going to go in, I love doing like multiple like transition-y colors, so we're gonna go in to Burnt Orange, and I'm just gonna take my Morphe R39. With the same Morphe R39 brush, I'm going to go into the shade Rustic right here. It's just like a nice, like, kind of like brown shade. I don't really know how to describe it. I'm literally going to just put that into the crease. And as you guys know, I like taking the same brush for multiple shadows. So again, going with my Morphe R39, I'm going to go into the shade Sienna. It's just kind of like a reddish toned brown, and we're just going to add some warmth. Now going in with my BH Cosmetics Rose Gold No. 7 brush, I'm going to go back into Orange Soda and just blend a little bit more. Now just with my finger, because I think that the fingers are the best to put like bright colors on, I'm going to take the shade Bronze right here and just put that, oh it's so creamy, all over my lid. Just like that. And now going in with the ColourPop E1, or the small tapered blending brush, I'm going to go into Mulberry. It's this nice, like, gorgeous, like, dark mulberry color, and I'm going to put this on the outer V. Like so, and then I think that that's pretty much good. I think I want to go in again just with that same E1 brush into Rustic again and just kind of deepen the creases right around here. Nothing too insane. With the BH Cosmetics Rose Gold No. 7 brush, I'm going to take the shade Tempera, which is also in Modern Renaissance, and hit the brow bone with that. Look at my glow today. Guys, we're glowing. And the inner corner. I love Tempera. It's one of my favorites. With the same brush, this brush is like a brush I like to use for everything. I'm going to go in with Burnt Orange and just run that on my lower lash line across the entire lower lash line. hitting sienna with that same brush. I'm only taking it around the last kind of third of my eye, just like around here, just to kind of add some dimension. Then taking burnt orange again and kind of like diffusing that line. And the eye look is done. I'm gonna go throw on some lashes and I will be right back to finish up the look. So I'm back. I just went ahead and threw on my favorite lashes, the Sephora House of Lashes in Cecile. They are my favorites. They're just super like flirty and fun. So today I thought we would go ahead and rock a bold red lip. This is like the little baby version of it, but this is the NARS Power Matte Lip Pigment in Star Woman. It's just this beautiful red shade. I have the little baby version of it, but I definitely think if you're in the market for a red, get this. It's like gorgeous. Alright, and it just has like the most precise like tip to really like line your lips and also fill them in. So I'm just gonna go ahead and set my face. I'm actually gonna set it today with the new Too Faced Festival Refresh Mystical Effects Setting and Refreshing Spray. This stuff is so cool. It smells like, people say it smells like sweet tarts. I think it smells like Starburst, but it has like little like blue sparkles that go all over your face and it's really cool. But you just want to make sure that like, not do what I just did. You want to make sure it's like spraying correctly or you're going to get little dots all over your face and that's not what we want. So here's the final look. It's just like a nice like bronzy gold look with like a bright red lip. It's super like fun. I feel like this is a really classic look that you can do for a party, a special occasion, you know, going out with friends, going on a date, you know, just like a nice look, like a nice like simple eye look with like a bright red lip. Thank you for watching this video. If you reached it to the end, make sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe down below. I post videos every single week. Also check out my Instagram at HannahsHawtGlam, my Twitter also. And thank you guys for watching again. I will see you guys in my next video. Stay classy and have a great day or night whenever you're watching this. Bye!